Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the append query options in Power Query Editor. So let's start. So I've got data sets and I'll explain the data sets as I go along. So I've got data for 2011, 2012. So you can see I've got how the data is grouped as calendar year, English product subcategory name, and the total sales amount. So I've got data for 2011. So you can see it's for 2011. Similarly, you can see the data for 2012. Data for 2013, and then we've got data for 2014. So what we'll do is we'll first append these to 2011 and 2012. So think of, for those of you coming from the SQL world, it is a union clause. But people who don't have SQL background, essentially we're combining two data sets. So we'll just stitch together 2011 and 2012 data. Now, what I want you to understand is that both the data sets have got to have the same number of columns, otherwise this won't work, and the data types have to be the same. So on the home tab on the Power Query Editor, I'll go on append queries, and it's got two options, append queries and append queries as new. So if I use append queries, it will append to this 2012 whatever I've got selected, but that's not what I want. So I want a new table, so I'll just go here again and say append queries as new. So what it will do is it will create a new table for us. And then I'll say 3 or more tables because I want to join 3 or more tables. So it's already selected 2011 for me. I'll select 2012, I'll select 2013, and I'll select 2014. So these are the tables I want to append. So they'll be stacked on top of one another. And I'll hit the OK button. So you can see it's created a new table for us. And it's got 47 rows. So in a way, if you sum it all together, so 2 rows for 2011, and then we've got 14, so 2 plus 14 is 16, and then we've got another 17, which is 33, and then we'll add another 14, which is 47, and then that's what you can see here. So it's got 47, so it's combined all of that together as a new table. So I can call it sales, and that's it. So all we've done is we've combined data from multiple data sets or from multiple queries into one table. So we've essentially stacked the tables one on top of the other. So the number of rows in the final result set will be the sum of the rows in the data sets which have been appended. It's a very useful feature if you wanted to combine your data set and just present one view to the user, rather than having multiple tables and then building your visuals on top of it. So it's a fairly useful way to combine your data. I think just a caveat, I normally don't prefer to add a lot of logic in the Power Query Editor, but it's a great one if you're just doing ad hoc analysis, and then push it into the SQL layer when you're happy with what you've got and you finally want to make sure that you have data coming from one table. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.